In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Hire Me button on WordPress.com, a simple WordPress tutorial perfect for beginners. Adding a Hire Me button can be an excellent way to engage visitors and invite them to work with you directly, enhancing your website's interactivity and functionality. First things first, open up your web browser and head over to the WordPress.com login page. You can simply search for WordPress.com login using any search engine. Upon reaching the login page, enter your credentials to access your dashboard. If you don't have an account yet, set one up. It's straightforward and quick to do. Once you're logged in, navigate to your WordPress dashboard. The dashboard is your control center, giving you access to various settings and content across your website. Here, you'll want to locate the Posts section on the left-hand menu. Clicking here will bring you to a list of all your posts. In the next step, find the post where you wish to add the Hire Me button and click on Edit. This will allow you to make changes to the post's content. Now, there's a choice you have to make. Are you using the WordPress standard editor or an additional page builder like Elementor? For this tutorial, we're assuming you've got Elementor installed, as it offers a simple drag-and-drop interface with extensive features. Click on Edit with Elementor. This will open up your post within the Elementor editor. On the Elementor sidebar, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the various widgets available. Now let's get your Hire Me button ready. You'll want to click the small plus icon to add a new section to your post. In the search bar provided, type Button. You should see several button options pop up. Drag the button widget to your desired location on the page. With your button placed, it's time to customize it. Click Type in the button settings. Here, you can select the type of button you'd like, but for our purposes, a simple standard button will do. Move to the text field and type Hire Me. It makes the call to action clear and concise for anyone visiting your site. Don't forget to include a link. Click on Link in the settings to add a URL that leads either to your contact page, portfolio, or another relevant source of information about your services. For those wanting a unique identifier for tracking or styling purposes, don't overlook the button ID. It's useful when you want to apply specific styles or track button clicks within analytics tools. And there you have it. Once you're satisfied, the button is automatically added to your post. Take a moment to preview your changes, ensuring everything looks as expected. Adding a Hire Me button is a simple yet impactful enhancement that makes it easier for visitors to reach out and engage. Enjoy customizing your website with this new feature.